Imagine taking a plain Revit model like this and turn it into this without using Lumion, Enscape, Twinmotion or V-Ray. And the best part, you can do it completely free using ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you my complete workflow from Revit to AI rendering. And before we finish, I'll even show you how to generate your own professional rendering prompts so you don't have to rely on anyone else. Welcome to Noble Architects Consult, your home for Revit and AI tutorials. Step 1. Export your Revit view. Set up the camera view. Click on File. Click on Export. Scroll down to Images and Animations. Click on Image. Head over to the format. Let's change to PNG. The next thing you are going to do is to select the folder you want to save the project to. Click on Change. You can save it to desktop. Save. Step 2. Upload to ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Now upload your exported Revit image. Click on this plus icon. Click on Add Photos and Files. Here is the image we saved from Revit. Select it. Open. This is where the magic happens. Now instead of trying to describe everything manually, we are going to let AI understand the architectural model and enhance it into a photorealistic visualization. For today's example, I'll be using my custom architectural rendering prompt. This prompt has been refined to produce realistic materials, lighting, landscape, reflections, and professional architectural presentation. I'm going to paste the prompt right here. Click here to send prompt. Let's wait while it generates. Okay, we are done. Now let's compare the results. Here's our original model and here's the AI rendered version. Have you noticed the improvements? Yet the architectural design itself remains unchanged. This makes AI an excellent visualization tool during concept presentations. Right now you can still make some adjustments. You can make any adjustment of your choice. Let's have this for example. Increase the size of the interlocking stone by 20%. Send it. You can see the difference. Now we've increased the size of the interlocking stone without changing anything. Let's save it. Click here to download the file. You can as well try different styles. One thing I really like about ChatGPT is that you are not limited to single style. For example, I can ask for a warm golden hour render, or a luxury evening visualization, all from the exact same Revit model. Just a quick one. Is this your first time here? Kindly make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Let's head over to how to create your own rendering prompts. Now let me show you something that will save you a lot of time. Instead of copying prompts from the internet, you can actually ask ChatGPT to build one for you. Open a new chat. Simply describe the type of render you want. Let me use this as an example. Generate a highly detailed professional AI image generation prompt to transform the attached architectural 3D image into an ultra-realistic magazine-quality architectural visualization. The prompt should preserve the original architecture, proportions, layout, camera angle, composition, and all building details while making only these intentional changes. Take note of this. The generated prompt should also specify a bright tropical morning scene with a soft white overcast sky. If you are generating a night rendering, you don't need to use this. You can write something like this. The prompt should be soft night scene, or if you need evening scene, you use soft evening scene. If you need wet floor, you can use soft evening scene with a wet floor. The last thing, produce a luxury architectural photograph comparable to Corona Render, V-Ray, D5 Render, or Unreal Engine 5. And this is very important. This determines the image output that we want. At some point, you can write something simple, but one thing about AI is that the more you explain it, the more it will understand it. Let's take, for example, we are going to use this prompt. This is simple. Generate a professional architectural rendering prompt for a modern residential house. Preserve the architecture completely. Improve only the materials, lighting, atmosphere, vegetation, and realism. This is short and simple, but AI will just generate a generic prompt for you. You need to tell AI what you want. Describe everything as much as you can. Then it will generate the perfect prompt for it. Now let's proceed. Let's use this. Click send prompt. Now ChatGPT has generated a customized prompt that matches your project. You see it? You can then refine it further until you get the exact rendering style you are looking for. Note, AI is not replacing architectural design. You still need a good Revit model. If you need this prompt, I'll leave it in the description section and also leave this text so you can modify it to render any scene of your choice. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Revit and AI tutorials. In subsequent videos, I'll show you how to render this same Revit model using Lumion, V-Ray, and other AI workflows so you can compare the results and decide which one works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.